Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to increase video resolution in CapCut. So what you have to gonna do, you will have to just open the CapCut app on the Android device or iOS. The solution is for both. So you will see I will add already the clipped. So I will just click on the top. You can see the 1080 HP. So there is the resolution, you can increase it. So you will have to just 2K or 4K, you will have to just move the button. So this is will be high resolution of CapCut when video is exporting. So it's very easy and simple, and you can see the resolution is improved the video clipped and graphics. So it will be saved with 2K and 4K. So you can see it. So now I will be exporting. So it will be exporting with 2K or 4K. So this is how to high resolution on CapCut. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.